Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and getting straight into the camera view. This is where Spotlight lives. Tap the search icon at the top or simply swipe down to reveal Spotlight search. Type a clear keyword, username, or hashtag. Be specific so Snapchat can match the right clips. Once done, glance at suggested categories and filters that appear. These narrow results quickly. Make sure your keyboard input and language match the content you want, because spelling and phrasing affect search relevance. Now refine results by switching filters to people, sounds, hashtags, or trends. This steers the algorithm towards specific content. Tap the menu to sort by relevance or newest so you control freshness versus popularity. When you open a clip, inspect the creator, sound label, and on-screen tags. These link to more related Spotlight content. If you want the same vibe, follow the sound or creator right away. Also vary your keywords slightly. Synonyms and short phrases often finish by saving useful clips and following creators so Spotlight tailors future results to you. Tap the three-dot menu to save, report, or follow. Subscribing to a sound or creator creates a quick path back. If Spotlight doesn't return expected clips, force close the app, clear cache, and check for a Snapchat update. Outdated cache or an old version often blocks new content. If problems persist, restart your device and retry the same search. Network and app state usually fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.